This question asks, can you do your own revocable trust or do you need an attorney? A bit of a loaded question. So, anybody can do anything on their own. The DIYers can go on Google, or you can go to something like LegalZoom, or even people are using ChatGPT these days to have the AI create a trust for you. And so the answer is technically you could probably, with enough research on your own, spit out a document that is a legally recognizable and enforceable trust. Where I think that falls short is on the really the details and the finesse of what makes a trust great and the things that most people don't think of unless you're a lawyer who practices in the estates and trusts area. Things like, what if at the time of your death one of your beneficiaries has become disabled? What if they die before you? What if they're in the middle of a divorce or a lawsuit? Or what if they've somehow gotten a hold of a drug or alcohol addiction or a gambling problem or anything at all that may make it a bad idea to hand them money. Also, we can use trusts to provide downstream asset protection. So even after you're gone, if one of your beneficiaries gets sued or divorced, that inheritance locks up during the lawsuit or the divorce proceeding. And so it makes it much more difficult, if not impossible, for future ex-spouses or creditors to ever get a hold of the money or assets that you leave behind to them in the form of their inheritance. So, can you do it yourself? Yes. But it will never be as good of a work product. It will never be as thorough. It will never be as comprehensive, and it will never be as protective as one that is drafted by a competent estate planning and asset protection attorney who has done thousands of them in their career and has learned a lot along the way. I hope this helps. Have a great day.